wonder if we should go to school. I want to go to school. Are you okay? Yes, go to school. Hi. What? Hi. Ow. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. I'm at school. I'm here too. Yay. What are we gonna do at school? Ow. Ow. Are you okay again? Yes. Okay, we'll just lay do our work. Here's your work, children. This day's work, you have, wait, you have one, you do have one, you have one, you have one. Yes, sir. Come on, get yours. Ah, I fell down. They took Morgan there. Yummy. It's not to eat, children. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna lay down. Are you all done? You just got started. 15 minutes later. I'm done if I can only get mine out. Well, I'm done. Okay, put them all right here. Okay, oh, we're done. Okay, we're all done except you, Bunny. I just flip the table. There, I didn't have to flip the table. Okay, if you're all done, the bell's about to ring and you can go outside. Yay, I'm so excited for the bell to ring.